Another update included in PowerMill 2019 enhances the way the software deals with stock models in situations where your models include overhangs. The algorithm has been improved to detect and deal correctly with these situations, but it will, understandably, take longer to calculate the stock model. Therefore, users have now got the possibility to choose whether they want to calculate it using this more accurate algorithm or not. These can be chosen when creating a stock model, as you can see on my screen. If the box Detect Overhangs is left unchecked, as it is by default, calculation will be faster, but it will not consider any possible undercut in your model. In this project, I have calculated two stock models, one using the faster method and the second one where I want the software to detect any possible overhangs. As you can see, drawing the rest material in both stock models, we notice significantly more material in the second case, where undercuts are more thoroughly examined.